Hello. In this video, I'm going to give you detailed information about Tylenol. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video to support it. What is Tylenol and what is it used for? Tylenol is a pain reliever and fever reducer. It is commonly used to relieve mild to moderate pain such as headaches, muscle aches, arthritis or joint pain, menstrual cramps and symptoms of cold or flu. It also helps to reduce fever. How to use Tylenol. Always take Tylenol exactly as directed on the label or by your doctor. Adults and teenagers weighing at least 50 kg, 110 pounds, do not take more than 1,000 milligrams at one time and do not exceed 4,000 milligrams in 24 hours. Children under 12 years old do not take more than 5 doses in 24 hours and use the recommended dose according to the child's weight and age. For infants, use the provided dropper or oral syringe. Incorrect measurement can cause overdose. Tylenol comes in different forms such as tablets, capsules, liquid, chewable tablets, or dissolving powders. Take Tylenol as needed. If on a regular schedule, don't take extra doses to make up for a missed one. Overdose can be fatal. People with diabetes may get false readings on some blood glucose monitors while taking Tylenol. Store the medicine at room temperature, away from heat and moisture. Things to know before taking Tylenol. Do not take Tylenol if you're allergic to acetaminophen or have severe liver disease. If you drink alcohol regularly or have liver problems, consult your doctor before use. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should only use Tylenol under a doctor's guidance. Avoid taking other medicines that contain acetaminophen at the same time, as overdose can seriously damage the liver. Side effects of Tylenol. Emergency warnings. Allergic reactions, hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of face, lips, tongue, or throat. Severe skin reaction, widespread redness, blisters, peeling. Liver problems, upper right abdominal pain, loss of appetite, fatigue, itching, dark urine, yellowing of skin or eyes. Mild side effects, usually mild or none at all. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.